Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. That's right, your eyes are not deceiving you. This is the second video this month, because this month we have Passover. So this video is dedicated specifically for that. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. Like I said before, this video is dedicated to Passover coming up. So this month I'm going to show you how to make some Matzah Arayes. With that said, let's go. Here's what you'll need. You can use cilantro or mint instead of the parsley, and any protein you'd like. Rinse the matzah thoroughly and place on a clean kitchen towel. Cover and set aside till flexible. In a bowl, mix together the meat, thinly chopped bell pepper, chopped onion, garlic and chili, the parsley, spices, oil, and mix well. I know I didn't write it down, but I've added another teaspoon of turmeric as well. You can use a glove since the greens tend to stick. Once the matzah is ready, cut each one to 4 squares. Take each square and place a spoonful on half of it and then fold it into a triangle. Over medium heat, fry the triangles, 5 minutes on each side. Using a set of tongs, flip them over. Lastly, sear the open sides and place on a rack to cool off a bit. Before serving, garnish it with some parsley, add a bit of sliced chili pepper, and you can also add some tahini on top. These turn out so delicious. My family just loves them. Do you guys eat tahini or sesame on Passover or not? Comment down below to let us all know. By the way, we don't. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!